John, sit down. Donald, sit down. Right, here. Oh, yes. I've got lines here.
Well, fine, I guess. But how did I get here?
Well, let me show you. First, I'll need a drop of blood. Your blood.
Right. Oh, Pat. Relax, John. It's all part of the miracle of cloning. Hello, John. Hello, John. Hello.
Hello, John. And from what?
Hello, John.
Low extraction has never recreated an intact DNA strand.
Not without master sequence gaps.
Good afternoon, John.
DNA from what source? Where do you get 100-million-year-old dinosaur blood?
Shh. What? Oh, Mr. DNA, where did you come from?
From your blood. Just one drop of your blood contains billions of strands of DNA, the building blocks of life. A DNA strand, like me, is a blueprint for building a living thing. And sometimes animals that went extinct millions of years ago, like dinosaurs, left their blueprints behind for us to find. We just had to know where to look. 100 million years ago, there were mosquitoes, just like today. And just like today, they fed on the blood of animals, even dinosaurs. Sometimes, after biting a dinosaur, the mosquito would land on the branch of a tree and get stuck in the sap. After a long time, the tree sap would get hard and become fossilized, just like a dinosaur bone, preserving the mosquito inside. This fossilized tree sap, which we call amber, waited for millions of years with the mosquito inside until Jurassic Park scientists came along. Using sophisticated techniques, they extract the preserved blood from the mosquito and, bingo, dino DNA. A full DNA strand contains 3 billion genetic codes. If we looked at screens like these once a second for 8 hours a day, it'd take 2 years to look at the entire DNA strand. It's that long. So, it's full of holes. Now that's where our geneticists take over. Thinking machine supercomputers and gene sequencers break down the strand in minutes. And virtual reality displays show our geneticists the gaps in the DNA sequence. We use the complete DNA of a frog to fill in the holes and complete the code. And now we can make a baby dinosaur.
This score is only temporary. It all has very dramatic music, of course. Boom, boom, boom. A march or something hasn't been written yet. And then, of course, the tour moves on.
Rodica? No. We have no animatronics here now. Those people are the real miracle workers of Jurassic Park.
In unfertilized hens, your ostrich eggs. Here's those to work on the
Can't you stop these things? I'm sorry, it's kind of a ride.
1, 2, 3.
You can't do that.
What?
Can they do that?
It's turning the eggs.
Oh, perfect timing. I'd hoped they'd hatch before I had to go to the boat.
Henry, why didn't you tell me? I insist on being here when they're born. Come on. Come on. Come on, little one. Come on. Come on, little one. Come on. Come on, then. Come on, then. Very good. Push. Push. Very good. God. Push. Come on. Come on. Come on, then. There you are. There you are. They imprint on the first creature they come in contact with. That's it. Helps them to trust me. I've been present for the birth of every little creature on this island.
Surely not the ones that are bred in the wild.
Yeah.
Actually, they can't breed in the wild.
Come on.
Population control is one of our security precautions. There's no unauthorized breeding in Jurassic Park.
And how do you know they can't breed?
Oh, because all the animals in Jurassic Park are female. We've engineered them that way.
Blood temperature seems like a high 80s, maybe.
Whoop.
91.
Homeothermic? It holds that temperature? Yeah. That's incredible.
But, again, how do you know they're all female? Does somebody go out in the park and pull up the dinosaur's skirts?
We control their chromosomes. It's really not that difficult. All vertebrate embryos are inherently female anyway. They just require an extra hormone given at the right developmental stage to make them male. We simply deny them that.
Deny them that?
John, the kind of control you're attempting is, it's not possible. Listen, if there's one thing the history of evolution has taught us, it's that life will not be contained. Life breaks free, it expands to new territories, and it crashes through barriers painfully, maybe even dangerously, but, well, there it is.
There it is.
You're implying that a group composed entirely of female animals will breed?
No, I'm simply saying that life, finds a way.
What species is this?
It's a velociraptor.
You bred raptors.